So this year we wanted to go with a more competitive design. So for the past couple of years we were just building to be really good at one thing, and this year we wanted to try to be dominant in everything that we did. So when we were building this year, we were building with the idea that we need to be able to get as many ranking points, which is how you get ranked higher in qualification matches, as well as being a very competitive playoff match team. This is the rocket, this tall structure. That's the one where we score the ranking point from. If you score a full rocket completing it, which includes 6 discs and 6 balls, that will get you 1 ranking point, which is a big thing. So that's what we're focusing on the most right now. So right here you'll actually see the robot doing what we designed it to do, which would be to flip over the robot after we get from one side. So we'll intake, and then the robot will flip over.
Junior, do you want a tape line basically on the line?
This year we wanted to be fast. That was our main idea. So the first thing that we said when we found out the game had where we get our places, where we get our game objects and where we score them, were on the opposite sides. So one was on one side of the robot, the other was on the other side of the robot. So one of the things we said was the fast way to do that would be able to flip over your robot, so you didn't have to turn around as much, because turning around takes longer than flipping. So what we did was we decided that we wanted to build an arm that would be able to swing over our robot rather than an elevator, which is a popular design this year. And leading through that, we said we want to be able to pick up not just from the human player station, we want to be able to pick up off the floor as well. So we had a lot of time designing our intake box that would allow us to pick up off both sides from the floor. So a lot of small details that some teams won't notice, we put a lot of effort into.
The hatch panels, we can't see these panels being placed on, but we can see this center line down here. So if we line up to this center line, we can know if we're centered with these hatches.
This was actually the same strategy we had last year, but we didn't do one piece of it, and because we didn't believe it was going to be as important as it was. And although we did phenomenally last year, when we got to the world level, there were a lot of teams that had that little last piece. And so this year we were going to have every piece of the robot, and with the strength of the program we have, all the way from the elementary schools all the way through the high school, the depth of the program allows us to do just a lot more than a lot of other teams can do as they build up, because the strength of the students coming in are experienced. Your chassis on that one, and then they just piece each other.